Hi, so I'm Ken. I'm the CEO of PowerArena. So I used to work in Google, and I founded PowerArena 5 years ago. The reason that I'm doing that is, when Industry 4.0 came out, there are lots of excitement among my friends, and a lot of them are manufacturing owners. But then the situations in the factories is very different from what they see, in the German factories or in the US factories. This is still really very intensive. And so they want to benefit from the Industry 4.0, but they see a big disconnect between what they're doing and also what the solution is offering. So that's why I have an idea, say, hey, maybe we can use computer visions to understand what's going on in many operations to improve the productivity and quality of the factory. Most of our customers are electronic manufacturers. The problem they're facing is, the operators, the turnover rate is very high. We're talking about 10%, not per year, but per month. And so it is very difficult to have a consistent productivity and quality of the main operations, especially in assembly lines. And so that's where we come in and help them. So I think in this factory, they need to handle a wide variety of products. So the line changes very quickly, and it is not easy for the operator to get used to as well. So we found that the ramp up time, so meaning when they start the production, it takes time to achieve the maximum efficiency. It takes a while to get up to speed. And so by understanding what's going on and prioritize onto important order, we help MIT to improve the ramp up time for the production. We look at the whole line of 10 workstations, and we find out the cycle times of all the stations. And so using our system, we can identify the operations that the operators are struggling at, and then we can improve the cycle time by, for example, providing more tools to them, or we distribute the work more evenly among all the operators in the same line. So in that case, we facilitate the ramp up and also improve the productivity as well. So moving forward, we would like to work with MIT not only on the productivity side, but also on the quality side, meaning the Pukayuki solution, and making sure that the important work steps are being followed on the production line. And moreover, we are moving beyond just the computer vision part. We are also collecting out the data, and then again, using the same data to do what we are doing in the assembly line, which is we collect the data, we help the industrial engineers to carry out the PDCA to improve the production line. And so we're extending our solution to the SMT lines as well, and collecting the data and improving the operations there.